it's so good to be back for session number 2. Is everyone excited now that the contest is heating up and there are a lot of participants, and a very warm welcome to new participants today, and a big hi to everybody. Can I have a hi from everyone?
Hi.
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 Hi,
Great,
students.
great.
So good to see you all back, and hope we have a good session today. Shall we start the contest? Are you all ready?
Yes.
How much has your preparation been?
Great.
So, so today, let's see. We've got a brand new set of questions, and they're all very, very, very important for your exams. Okay? So, all right, let's go.
Okay, till that time, I will just repeat the rule again. When I type start in the comment box, you are typing the answer after that, okay? And I will tell the scores tomorrow morning, everyone. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Shashi. Are you all able to see my screen?
No.
No,
No, not yet. Just give me 1 moment. Yeah,
Mister.
just 1 more minute.
Mister,
Yes, Kevin. Yes, Kevin, tell me.
are we going to type the answer when you say yes or when you type yes? I mean start.
When I say the yes,
No,
I
no,
would
no.
read out the questions.
Ma'am will read out the questions and I will say start. Okay, I will say start.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So ready? Ready, everyone?
No.
Can you
but
see my
yes.
screen right now?
No. Oh, yes.
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 Yeah. So your question begins. We will now have a few set of questions being set, and after that, I will also give the explanation for the right answer. Okay, so all of you are ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, let's begin.
Yes.
The first question. Which of the following is the contribution of chemistry to agriculture? The time starts now. Start. All right. Amen. Fastest.
Great. Lot of people saying
Okay.
D. B, C, D. I see a lot of people.
Wow, a lot of right answers. Very good. Good job. Good job.
TV.
Is someone trying to say something?
Can you
Yes.
please
So yes. Everybody please mute yourselves. And the right answer is D. Yes. Which of the following is the contribution of chemistry to agriculture? It is pesticide. Moving on to the next question.
Ma'am,
Which of the following? Yes.
Ma'am, 1 second. You just read out the question. I will take 2-3 seconds and then I say start. Okay, that is better.
Okay, that will do. Yeah, definitely. So now I'll be reading the second question. Which of the following is not an agricultural chemical? No, Surah, you wait for the word start. Shall we give the answers?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the right answer again for this is paracetamol. Can someone tell me what is a paracetamol? What is it used for? Oh, the contest is closed.
It's a medicine.
What is it used for? Yes, that's right. It's a medicine, but what is it used for? It is used
When somebody has
Medicine?
Yeah, that's right. It's a medicine. It comes under antipyretics. Okay, it is used to reduce fever. Paracetamol. What are the other three? Yeah.
Isn't paracetamol used to reduce pain in the or headache in the head?
Fever. Fever. It's used to reduce the temperature of the body.
It's a
It is used to
painkiller.
bring down the temperature. So paracetamol is usually prescribed for every type of fever. Okay. The next question. Chemistry and physics are integrated in. Oh, we're waiting for Mr. Sashi to start.
Start.
They've already started.
No, I
Five of
will
them
not-
have already replied.
Yeah, I will not take those answers.
Yeah, you'll have to wait. You'll have to wait, students. You'll have to wait. Okay. Yes, almost all of them have said. The right answer is B, physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is mainly talking about the integration of physics and chemistry. In physical chemistry, you will learn about energy, thermodynamics, heat, and work, which is related to chemical matter. Yes, you're right. B is the right answer. Moving on. Okay, this is a tricky question, but you will wait for this word start, okay, before typing in the answer. A compound X has a sour taste and turns blue litmus to red. X can be
Start. Yes, ma'am, you can give the answers.
Yeah, I can see only a few have replied. Okay, so I think I have to make the concept clear first. So the options that were given are calcium hydroxide, sodium chloride, magnesium oxide, and nitric acid. Out of these, first you will have to understand there are two parts, a sour taste and a blue litmus test to red. Generally, the most important thing here is that something that the X turns blue litmus paper to red, okay? And what turns blue litmus paper to red is an acid. Any acid turns blue litmus paper to red. So out of the four options, option D is the right answer because it is nitric acid and it has acidic properties, which gives acids a very, very sour taste. Okay, and it turns blue litmus paper to red. Can anyone tell me what is the blue litmus paper?
It's an indicator.
Indicator.
What? What is it?
An indicator. To see if the substance is basic or acidic.
That's right. Very good. Who answered it?
It was me.
Can you identify
Yeah.
yourself?
My
Yeah,
name
you
is
can tell me
Rio.
your name.
My name
Very
is Rio.
good. Yes, please.
Ma'am, can you please disable
Yeah,
annotation?
I'm
ma'am?
doing that. Yes,
Yeah.
please. Yes, I've done it.
I
Sorry.
think somebody.
Yes, very good. Yes, sir. Yeah. This nitric acid is the one that turns blue litmus paper to red. I will give you an illustration which will explain to you this better. If you can see, there's a blue litmus paper which has an acidic solution, which you put it inside an acidic solution. This is an acidic solution, okay? So inside that, when you dip in blue litmus paper, it becomes red. And if you have a basic solution, can you give me an example of any base?
Sodium hydroxide.
Oh, very good. Yes. Sodium hydroxide is a base. Sorry?
Calcium
Potassium,
hydroxide.
somebody. Calcium hydroxide. Yes, very good. It's a base. So in this case, here, it's a base. So you can see that this converts the blue litmus paper becomes red with an acid. Always remember, the trick is AR, ABR, okay? ABR, acidic, blue to red. And in the case of B, remember BRB, base, red, blue. When there's a base, the litmus paper becomes from red to blue. All right. Any questions? Is this concept very clear?
Yes.
Does any student have any queries?
Sure, did you
Yeah.
can you explain again? I can understand it.
Okay. Right. Now, the question that you're usually asked in an exam is if hello,
Yes,
can you
sure.
hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
hear you.
If there is a compound and if it is an acid, okay, which you have
Okay.
put inside this beaker, it's an acidic solution. So when you dip in a litmus paper,
Yeah.
it will convert the color to red if it is an acid.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yes.
any acid will convert a litmus paper from blue to red. Always remember ABR, acid, blue to red. If it is a base, then the litmus paper becomes red to blue. So BRB, that's the trick. Okay, remember
Yes, I can understand.
BRB, all right? Shall we
Okay.
move on to the next question?
Okay. Thanks.
Is it clear?
Okay,
Yes, sure.
is it clear?
Yes.
Good. Now moving on to the next question.
I think you'll have to clear annotation, yeah?
Yes, I'm doing that. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Pure substances which cannot be separated into simpler substances by chemical means are known as you'll have to
Don't
wait
type
for
in,
the
don't
next
type
part.
in. No, I will
No,
not.
don't type.
Hold on, guys. Guys, don't type. Hold on.
Can you search it?
Wait, don't type.
Okay.
Start. Okay, a lot of A, B, C. I think we see all the options being given. Okay.
Okay, so shall we move on to the answer?
Yeah, I think let us ask one. So Eosius, okay, you said B. Let me know why.
Sure.
Yes.
I said elements because elements cannot be broken down into simpler by any chemical means. By chemical means cannot be separated into simpler substances by any chemical means.
Okay.
Okay, so shall we have the answers?
Yeah.
Miss, I have a question.
Yes.
Elements can be separated into proton, neutron, and electron. Why here? I don't understand.
Now, elements, that is an atom. Okay, you're talking in terms of the atoms. Here, the element, okay, is a very, very pure substance. All right. Now, when elements are there, we're just talking about the basic structure. Atoms together are needed for an element to be formed. Okay. So atoms are different from elements. So you'll have to be very clear with the concept of what is an atom and what is an element. All right.
Okay.
Clear?
And the
Yeah,
other thing is that the option atom is not here. Okay. So just focus on the options.
Out of the options that are given, compounds, elements, mixtures, and molecules. Element and the atom is a very basic structure. Okay. We'll just see a video of it so that it can be more clearer. The answer is elements. Were there right answers? Oh, they want to know what is
Yeah.
a molecule. Okay. I think we'll just go and see a video on it.
Yeah.
Give me a moment and let me play the video for you.
आपको आप पूरा वीडियो दिखाएंगे कि पार्ट में दिखाएंगे?
नहीं, पार्ट में.
हाँ हाँ, वो बहुत बड़ा है, वो हमने टाइम
वही।
डिसाइड किया था। हाँ हाँ
ठीक है, ओके, वही है.
हाँ जी, ओके.
Okay. Are you able to see my video? Not yet?
No.
I can't see.
No.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. Can someone tell me what is a molecule meanwhile?
Can
A
I?
group of atoms.
Yes, please.
No, this
Go ahead.
this is not part of the contest. So you can take your time and say it.
I think it's
Think.
a combination of 2 or more elements.
Okay.
2 or more
What
atoms.
elements? What
2 or more
elements could it be?
or atoms.
Okay. So let me ask you a question. Can elements have molecules?
No.
Okay. Can compounds have molecules?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, they can.
And
They
why
can-
does no, this is the wrong one, I think, ma'am. ये गलत वाला है ना?
No. 1 second.
Okay, who says elements cannot have molecules?
Can or cannot.
Okay.
They
Can,
can.
cannot.
They can.
Let's watch this
Let's
video.
see. Yes, you'll have to see the video for that. Okay? Yes.
आपने ऑडियो शेयर किया ना उसमें?
Yes. हाँ, इसमें ऑडियो शेयर किया.
हाँ जी.
ऑडियो नहीं सुना नहीं दे रहा.
नहीं, आपने प्ले नहीं किया है.
नहीं, शेयर साउंड भी करना है ना.
हाँ, वो वहां पे नीचे में करना पड़ेगा आपको. वापस कीजिए अनशेयर, स्टॉप शेयरिंग करके फिर से कीजिए आप.
ओके.
हाँ, लेफ्ट साइड नीचे में आएगा शेयर ऑडियो.
ओके. Just give me 1 minute. Yes, you'll be able to view it now.
These tiny particles, remember as I said earlier, they are called atoms. So a similar kind or one kind of tiny particle with elements. Elements are pure substances which are made up of similar kind or one kind of tiny particles. These tiny particles, remember as I said earlier, they are called atoms. So I would be using.
So can someone tell me what is the definition again that is said here? You can even read it.
Okay.
Elements.
Elements are pure substances which
Elements are
are
pure substances which are made up of similar kind.
Okay. So what are they made of?
Similar kind or one kind with a important.
The main word here is tiny particles called atoms. Yes, that's it. You're right. Atoms. Okay.
Both the terms wherever I feel so. So please do not get confused. Tiny particles means atoms. Now coming back to the definition. As I said, elements are pure substances which are made up of similar or one kind of tiny particles or atoms. So let us have a look at this diagram. So what do I see? I see that there are small dots or small spherical balls which are represented in this fashion. These are actually the tiny particles or atoms. So when I see this diagram, I see that each tiny particle is actually placed at a distance from the other one. And I also see that every dot or every tiny particle is of the same color. Now I refer to the
definition I said? I said that it is made up of similar or one kind of particle, right? Which is clear. Now I also said it is pure substance or pure matter. Pure means it is homogeneous in nature. Homogeneous means the composition is same throughout. What is the meaning of composition? That means the distribution of the tiny particles is even, as you can see in the diagram, right? So if I pick out any 2 or 3 or 4 particles from one point, probably it will be similar to the particles that I take out from the other point, right? As I can see here, if I take out from here and if I take out from here, both have the same graphical representation. This means it is homogeneous or pure in nature. Now let us try to understand a few important points or important characteristics of elements. The first one, if I take say carbon, right, or coal.
Okay. Can now someone tell me what is the meaning of elements?
Can I?
Can I check?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, tell.
Is a substance that cannot be separated into simpler substance that chemical means.
Okay, that is a very book definition. Can you tell me with an example?
Hydrogen?
Okay, very good. Basic of everything. Yes, it is hydrogen. A very good example. Can someone else give me another example?
Of an element.
Yes, of an element.
Lithium.
Okay.
Lead. Lead.
Lead.
Lead.
Carbon.
Okay.
Magnesium?
Okay, yes.
Gold. Carbon. Hydrogen?
Carbon.
Nitrogen.
Okay.
Sulfur?
Very good.
Sodium.
Phosphorus.
मैम आपका दूसरी जगह पे वॉइस म्यूट कर दीजिए ना, एको हो रहा है.
Yeah.
आप भूल गए लगता है.
Is it okay now?
नहीं, 2 डिवाइस पे है ना, तो दूसरे को वो म्यूट कर दीजिए.
हाँ.
What?
Yes. Are you able to hear me clearly now?
Yeah.
Yes, Chief.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now that you've seen, can you tell me what is an element and how different is it from a compound? Can someone tell me? Yes, please answer.
So, elements are pure substances that are made up of tiny particles called atoms.
Very
And
good. Yes.
compounds are a group of elements.
Okay. And how is it different from elements? Elements are different from compounds.
Answer that question.
Okay.
Compounds
How
contain
elements and yes, please answer.
other elements.
Okay.
Elements
How
are the
is
same
it
type of
different
atoms.
from compounds?
Can I answer?
Yes.
A compound is a pure substance that cannot be separated into simpler substances by physical process. It is formed from 2 or more elements combined chemically.
That's right. And who's answering this?
Faven.
Very good. Good job. Okay. For the rest of them, I will also explain it again. Compounds are very pure substances which cannot be separated by any physical means. Okay. But it can be broken down by chemical means. Okay. For example, what do I mean by chemical means? Electrolysis. All right. Electrolysis, for example, water can be separated into hydrogen and oxygen. This process is called as electrolysis. All right. But the main basic difference is that compounds although they are made up of the same elements which are combined together in a fixed ratio, they cannot be separated by physical means. Okay, do you have any queries? Is it clear? Okay, moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not true about the property of elements or compounds? Mrs. Sashi, can they start?
No, it's a long one, so I'm just waiting.
Okay. They've already started answering, but
Wait.
oh,
Hold on,
Telina,
hold on.
you should have waited. Yeah, you should
Lena
wait.
Kirubal, just wait.
Yeah, wait. That's
Start.
okay, Telina. Yeah, start now.
Okay, a lot of people are saying A. I think everybody is now saying A. Very nice. A, C,
Good,
A,
good,
C, A,
good.
C.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe you can start.
Yes. For the ones who said C, it's actually the question is, which of the following is not true about the property of elements or compounds? So the right answer is A. Okay. The rest, all three of them. Oh, someone is saying B now. Why not? Compounds can be broken. I just now explained it to you that compounds can be separated, okay, into its constituents. Okay, moving on. Okay, something new today. The properties or elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. This is
Start.
oof.
Yeah, ma'am, you can start.
Yeah. The right answer is, can someone say it?
B.
Is anybody sure?
B.
Someone said
Yeah,
It's B.
B is the right answer.
I
It's
told
the
you.
modern. Yes, B is the right answer. There were some who had typed in A and C and D. No. B is the right answer because the modern periodic law is based on atomic number. Some of them got confused with Mendeleev's periodic law. Mendeleev's periodic law is the basic starting point of modern chemistry. Can someone please mute themselves? Yeah, thank you. Now, Mendeleev's periodic law talks about periodic functions of atomic weight. Okay, don't get confused. Mendeleev was talking about elements being classified based on their atomic weight. He put all the elements based on their atomic weight. But modern periodic law is based on atomic number. If we can see the periodic table, you will be able to understand how this functions. Okay, so let's go on to a very, very interesting video on the periodic table. Can you see my video now?
No.
Not yet.
Okay.
No.
Okay, just give me 1 second.
Universal?
Yes, 1 second.
Block and F block elements.
No, we cannot.
So if I have my periodic table here, periodic table, and now let's deep dive inside.
You're able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, let's begin.
The periodic table and try to classify it. That means we learn about where does the S block elements belong, P block, D block and F block elements. So if I have my periodic table here, which you of course have been seeing since your lower grades, let me quickly try to classify them. So these two groups that you see, group 1A and group 2A, which starts from hydrogen to francium and beryllium to radium. These two are known as S block elements. And it goes up to 7th period. For my present, will understand it in a much better way. And I promise that you will really enjoy after seeing the surprise. So, second step, what I do is I take this 3 table and I tilt it this way. Third step, I'll do some magic and convert this into a 3D table. And
Okay.
मैंने टाइम लिखा था ना 5:23.
Yes.
हाँ हाँ
यहाँ से ठीक है
हाँ
5:23 से ना
हाँ ठीक है यहाँ से कर सकते
यहाँ से
sorry
चलेगा?
guys हाँ sorry people were just adjusting from where to show you because it's
scene,
wrong.
correct?
Yeah.
Now, I'll do some magic and convert.
It's a very nice, interesting and a big video. We will share it soon. You can watch from this to get an idea for the answer.
This into a 3D table. And here you go. To understand where the two rows starting from cesium and thorium are present, we'll understand it in a much better way. And I promise that you will really enjoy after seeing the surprise. So, second step, what I do is I take this 3 table and I tilt it this way. Third step, I just move it a bit like this. Even if this part is going out of frame, it is okay, no problem. We have to focus here. So can you see the element titanium which is there in the D block? Correct? We will take that group, we will break the periodic table. Now, can you see where the two rows are present? The cesium row just behind lanthanide, the thorium row just behind actinium. So this is the reason why you're not able to see these two rows, because they are behind these two elements which are lanthanide and actinium. So if I again join this in this way and I twist it, can you see it? No, right? That is the reason why I took this, I tilted and I broke this to help you understand where these two rows are present. So what I'll do is I just copy this and I paste them here. And I again convert this into a 2D table. Now can you resemble this and this which you find in your textbooks? So I hope you are clear where these two rows are placed. So such kind of concepts you can only understand in Learn 365.
Yes. Can they mute? Can someone is talking? Okay. So after seeing that interesting video, I am sure now you'll be able to answer a lot of questions regarding your periodic
So
table.
did everyone understand the periodic table now? How does it look?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
How many
So
rows were there?
the entire team has worked very hard for you guys to make you understand it
I
very
have
clearly.
a question.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes.
How do we classify to S, Y, and P blocks? I get the S block on the
Sure.
list, but how
See,
do we classify it for the rest of the
okay.
periodic
As
table?
of, so as of now, let us leave that question because it is actually in the 9th grade. So we'll talk
Okay.
about it later. Okay. Let's focus on this as of now.
Yes.
But it's a good
yes.
question you asked. We will answer it. Don't worry.
Good question. And but the periodic table, in fact, is so interesting that you could just keep on learning so much about it. Okay. Once you know the periodic table, you will know the entire behavior of all the elements. All right. Now moving on to the next question. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Can I have a yes? Okay.
Yes.
The next question. How many elements are present in the third period of the periodic table?
Start. Okay, a lot of A, B, C. I think A, B, C. Everybody is
Only D is
answering.
You forgot D.
Sorry.
They're saying they've forgotten D. Someone has
Yeah.
not typed in
Same
D.
time D. Okay, nice.
Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
ma'am, we will start.
Now let's see the answer. Yes. Most of them have come out with the right answer, but there were many who said the wrong ones. How many elements are present in the third period of the periodic table? Okay, for the people who don't know what a periodic table looks like or are really scared about it, I think you should really look at it in this way. It's a very simple table which has been classified into groups, you know, like you are in school and you have teams for your football. Don't you have teams you play with? Yeah?
Yes.
You have teams
Yeah.
that you play? Yeah, very similar to that. Elements have been grouped into teams. Okay? Teams with various names. They might seem scary for some people, but it's actually, they're all behaving the same. So all those elements that behave same have been grouped into different teams. These teams have nice names actually. Alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, transition metals, and so on. So if you see for the question, what is the question? Can someone tell me what was the question? Third row. Okay, we'll go back. How many elements are present in the third period of the periodic table? Okay, thank you, Alana. Thank you. That was a good comment. The element, the third period indicates the third row. What does it start with? Rows. From left to right is called a period. From top to bottom is called a group. Okay? So if we go top to bottom, it's called a group. You can see it here. Group. Top to bottom. Period is from left to right. Okay? So the third period starts with this. Which element does it start with? Can someone answer?
What is the question?
Sodium.
Which? That's right. My question was, what does it start with? Yes, that's right. Sodium. So, correct, Mathanya, correct. Now, so what does it say? The third element, okay, the third element of the periodic table how many are present? So totally, if you count sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and argon, there are totally 8 of them. Okay, does anybody have any queries? We can't see it. Why? What are you unable to see? The 8 elements. It starts from here. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and argon. So all of them together form 8 elements. What are you unable to see, Delina? Can you say it? Are you guys able to see the screen now?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we
Yes,
can, but
yeah. So were
we
you
are
able to
simple
understand?
predictable.
Okay, yeah, let's proceed.
Okay. So this is the answer for it. Okay. Next question. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
An element with atomic number 18 is, oh, okay, well, you have to wait. Okay.
Wait, don't type.
Wait. Okay, good. They're waiting for us. An element with atomic number 18 is found in
Start. All right.
Annette,
C, C, B.
Philippos.
Let me ask Olana, why is the answer C?
Okay, we know how to, if the atomic number is 18, you have to know its electron configuration, and when you make it 288, and 288, you can know the group number by the valence number, so the group is 8 and the period is 3.
Okay.
Very
Nice.
good. Yes,
Nice.
that's right.
Somebody said B. Brooke, why did you say B? Brooke, can you hear me?
Oh, there's a C also. Someone is saying C.
Okay, yes, ma'am, we can start.
Yeah. The right answer is C. Okay. Shall we go back and see the periodic table and find out where it has been placed? Yeah, can you see the periodic table? Yes. So atomic number 18.
It's iron.
What is the element? Yes, argon. What group is it called? Does it come under S block, alkali metals, alkaline? What are they? What is argon?
Noble gas.
Noble gas.
Yeah, right. It is a noble gases. All of them, helium, neon, argon, until all of them come under noble gases. So atomic number, which group and which period now? Group, how will you say it? From top to bottom, okay?
Yes.
And the period belongs to the third one. Now the next question. How many moles are there in 9.02? It's a numerical question, so take your time. 9.02 into 10 to the power 24 molecules of CO2, carbon dioxide. How many moles are there in 9.02, 10 to the power 24 molecules of CO2, carbon dioxide?
Start. A, D, A. Okay, people are at least calculating. Nice. We've got only 4
But
answers.
that's pretty quick.
Yeah. Okay, nice.
Abel, so what's the answer, Abel?
Sorry, typing error. Abel, no problem. What's the answer, Abel? But you are late any which ways. But still, give your answer. Yes, ma'am. I think we can start.
Can we have the answer? Okay. Now the right answer is. Can you see my answer?
No.
Yeah.
Somebody said B. Okay.
B, yes. B is the right answer. Why? I will show you the calculation for it. If you can see what is given in the question, 1 mole. 1 mole means 1 mole of CO2 gives 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. The value is already given. It's called the Avogadro's number. Okay, it is a fixed number. So 1 mole gives 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. So how many moles is required for 9.02 into 10 to the power 24? So you cross multiply it. Okay?
Okay.
When you cross multiply, you need to get the value of X. X is equal to 9.02 into 10 to the power 24 divided by 6.02. All right. So the right answer is 15 moles of carbon dioxide. You will divide 9.02 divided by 6.022. Okay. Mr. Sashi, who said B? Were there any B in the answers?
Yeah, Kirubal said it right. Only two people said it right.
Good job. Good
For
job.
one, Kirubal, nice.
Good. We're going to have some more numerical problems, okay? Does anyone need any more explanation? Or is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, moving on.
इसको एक्चुअली हम लोग न्यूमेरिकल को वही अगले बार से ट्राई करना पड़ेगा लिख के समझाने के लिए.
ओके फाइन. ओके.
हाँ जी.
Oh God, somebody is can someone mute it?
Yeah.
There are voices.
Who is this? Delina, mute.
Okay, let's move on. Which one of the following is the role of chemistry?
No.
No, you have to wait.
Wait. Don't answer. Wait, hold on.
The amount of minerals in the soil applied rocks suppressing.
Start. Wow, all is saying C, yeah?
Wow, name seen.
Okay, almost right. Yes, the answer is C. Which one of the following is a role in chemistry application in the production of drugs? Moving on, which of the following can describe the application of chemistry in medicine? The production of Okay,
wait, hold on, don't write. I didn't say start. I didn't say start, wait. Somebody is wait, let me first mute and then we'll see the answers to it. 1 second.
Yes.
Forget it.
Why 9 prime? Can you mute yourself?
No, you're not good. Lemma.
I can't even mute him.
Addition that was Charlotte?
Yes.
Okay, start.
Yes.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So in the previous question, the calculation.
Yeah.
9.02.
Your voice is breaking, ma. Your voice is breaking.
Okay, when 9.02 is divided by 0 becomes 1.5, not 15.
Sorry, your voice is breaking. I can't hear you.
I said when 9.02 is divided in 6.02, it becomes 1.5, not 15.
Yes, because if you can see 10 to the raise 24 divided by 10 to the power 23. Okay. So when you cancel out, you have a 10. So 1.5 into 10, which makes it 15 moles.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, got it? Okay, shall we have the answers for this?
Mrs. I can understand the question.
Which question?
The calculation.
Oh, you're not able to understand the calculation?
Yes.
1 second, guys. Hold on. Ma'am, can
Yeah.
you just unshare your screen?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, guys, can you see my paper?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just give me 1 minute, okay? Okay. So what is this?
9.0.
Yeah, no, let me just have a look at the question. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just tell me.
9.02. 9.02.
Okay. Yeah,
9.02 into 10 to the raise
10 to the power 24.
Yes.
Yeah, this
And
is
Avogadro number is already given as this is given. Okay.
no, this is number of molecules.
Yeah, no, there are so many molecules of carbon dioxide for which you have to
Yeah, that's
find
what
the
this is the
number of
molecule,
moles.
right?
Yeah, already of molecules of carbon dioxide.
Okay, great.
The constant value is 6.022 to the in 10 to the raise 23. So, so now
Mr.
X,
I can see your screen.
Can you see the screen now?
yes, the
Yes.
screen is visible, sir.
Okay, great. So guys, first tell me. So 1 mole has how many molecules?
6.02.
6.02 times 10 raised to 23.
Great, fantastic. So you know this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have been asked that how many moles are there in 9.02 into 10 to the power 24 molecules, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 1 mole has 6.02623 into 10 to the power 23 moles. So can I write molecule, sorry. So can I write that 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules will have 1 mole? I am just reversing it. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, great,
Yes.
fantastic.
Yes.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, so now we will just follow unitary method. Okay, now that means one molecule will have how many moles? Come on, anyone, tell me.
6.02.
No.
1 mole.
We have to see, we have to follow unitary method. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules are there in 1 mole. So 1 molecule will be there in 1 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So these many moles will be there, so less, right? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules are there in 1 mole. Okay, that means one molecule will give us how many moles? Will give us only 1 by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules.
Molecules and moles are totally different concepts. Yeah, students generally tend to get very confused with that.
So now, so did you follow these 2 steps now till now?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now the question is,
Yes.
9.02 into 10 to the power 24 molecules will form how many moles? So what do we do now? We simply write this one again here, 1 by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into, we multiply this into 9.02 into 10 to the power 24.
We're not able to see the screen, sir. Okay. Okay.
Can you see now? Can you see now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
So now if we just multiply it, what do I have? I have 9.
9.
Okay, just let me round it off. Okay, 9 into 10 to the power 24 divided by 6 into 10 to the power 23. So can I write this as 9 into 10 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 6 into 10 to the power 23? Can I write it like this?
Yes,
you can.
Yeah, so now let me do the cancellation. This and this gets cancelled out. What am I left with? I'm left with
90 over 6.
Fantastic. What's the answer?
1.5.
15.
Fantastic. Okay, now let me repeat again. What I'll do is let me repeat it again for you, and I will simplify it as of now. I won't take 9.02 or something, right? What were we given? We were given that 6 we know that 6 into 10 to the power 23 molecules are there in 1 mole. We know this, right? Avogadro's number, correct? So one molecule will give me 1 divided by 6 into 10 to the power 23 moles.
Yes.
This is simple. This is unitary method. We have learned unitary method in standard 5, right?
Yes.
So now the question is 9 into 10 to the power 24 molecules will give me how many moles? For that, I take this and I multiply. So it is 1 divided by 6 into 10 to the power 23 into 9 into 10 to the power 24.
Yes.
Okay. And then when I simplify, I have 9 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 6 into 10 to the power 23. This and this gets cancelled out. What do I have? I have 90 by 6, which is 15. Now do you understand, everyone?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
It's clear.
So you have to understand the question and don't forget Avogadro's number, okay? So, and as ma'am said, don't get confused between moles and molecule. So what is mole? Okay, now tell me, now answer this. So if I say I need 1 mole of mangoes, so how many mangoes will you give me? Tell me this.
6.02.
Yes, and
6.02
into 10 to the power 23. So 1 mole of anything. Okay, let me make it very clear again. So 1 mole of anything will have 6 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So if it is like you are measuring it. Okay. If I say give me 1 mole of mangoes, give me 1 mole of say shoes. So you will say that, okay, I will give you these many shoes. It's like that. Now you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So this was the numerical.
Yes.
Which was there. Okay. Yes, ma'am. We can continue.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Shall we move on? Interesting?
Yes.
Interesting now?
Yes.
Wow, we're going to have more of such kind of questions. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, chemical industry in Ethiopia that produces sulfuric acid and aluminum sulfate is located at.
Come on, it's an easy one. Start. Okay. A, B, B, D. Okay, we have D
Oh,
also.
there's a D, Abel.
Okay.
There you go. There's a C. I think, oh, B again. Oh. Okay. C, B.
Yes, ma'am, we can start.
Shall we see for the answers? It's C. It's a B answer. No C. No C. Yes, that's right. B is the answer.
B.
Yes. Which of the following physical properties is measurable? Okay, which of the following physical properties is measurable?
Start. Okay, B, C. मैम इसके बाद कितने क्वेश्चंस और हैं?
4-5.
अच्छा, तो मैं
Time है?
हाँ, मैं वही पूछ लेता हूँ.
Okay.
10
नहीं तो
10:40
नहीं तो next. Yeah.
हाँ, पूछ लेते हैं. 3-4 है.
Okay. 3-4. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Okay, the answer. Electrical conductivity is the right answer. Okay, the rest all. Oh God. Newell is like, oh my, no. Okay, the next question. This one is again tricky. Are you guys ready for this one? Given the following data. Okay, that's okay, bro. Given the following data table that shows the physical properties of 4 different elements. Okay, the elements are given below. Philippos, please wait. Which of the following is true about the elements in the table?
Wait, guys, wait. Don't type. Start.
Okay. See. Read the question carefully. There are 3 elements in it. It has to be either a liquid or a solid. It needs to have magnetic properties. All right. The color also is given. Shall we look at the answer? Something that's, and it has to be true also.
Yeah, ma'am, we can start.
Yeah. Which of the following element 2 is it? Aluminium? No. Why? Because it is reddish brown, solid and non-magnetic. No, because mercury. Why element 1? Can you see that you can actually rule out the rest of it because based on its magnetic properties. Okay. All of them have been given as either liquid or solid, liquid and solid. Dense silvery white is mercury. Okay.
Okay.
And it is in liquid state. If you see the periodic table itself, it's only bromine and mercury. Okay, bromine and mercury which stays in the liquid state. And its color is the differentiation here. Dense silvery white is mercury. So C is the right answer. Okay. So
okay.
Or we'll move on.
Okay.
Guys, we have a couple of more questions to go, then we can finish, okay? Maybe 2 or 3 more. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Is that okay?
Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
I like the spirit, huh? Very nice. Very nice,
Yes.
guys. Very nice.
Good job. Which of the following substance is a pure substance, cannot be broken down into simpler substances by ordinary chemical means?
Start. Okay, magnesium, sugar, table salt, alcohol. I think this everyone should answer correctly. Come on,
Everyone
guys.
should answer. Yeah. But there are a variety of answers.
Okay, let me ask. Okay, Lewil, you said alcohol. Why? Why is it alcohol, Lewil? Can you answer that for me, please? Kirubel, you said D. Why D? Kirubel? Okay, you don't want to answer.
Alcohol doesn't have any questions, so it can be break.
Alcohol doesn't- Okay,
Sorry?
Philippos. Philippos wants to answer it too.
Yeah, please answer. Yes, Philippos, tell. Yes,
Is he-
answer it, Philippos, please.
Oh, no, he doesn't want to.
Wait,
Oh.
can I explain?
Yes, please.
The answer is A, because magnesium is an element and an element cannot be broken down into smaller pieces.
Who's answering this? Fantastic. Very good.
Yabi.
That's the right answer. Good. Yes. Magnesium is the only element out of the options that are given. Alcohol absolutely can be reduced into its components. Sugar, table salt. Okay. What is sugar made of? Can anyone tell me? Sugar? Sugar
Carbon and
constituents?
hydrogen.
Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen.
Okay, yes, in its elements form. Yes, all of them have them except for magnesium. Okay. Magnesium is in the element here. Okay, the next question. The ability of a substance, completely different topic now. The ability of a substance to be drawn into a thin wire is called.
Start.
Wow, Hemant.
Delina, you said A. Why Delina? A. Delina, can you answer? Lewil, can you answer A? Why?
Oh, everybody is saying the right answer, I suppose.
Yes, ma'am, you can start.
The ability of a substance to be drawn into thin wire is called as ductility. Okay? Why did you think of A? Because here the main word is thin wire. Malleability is sheets. The ability to be drawn into sheets is called malleability. Okay? Delina, isn't it right? If a substance can be drawn into sheets, it is called malleability. The ability of a substance to be drawn into thin wires is called as ductility.
Ductility.
Okay? Not A, not A, it's C. All right, moving on. Which one of, okay, the last one, okay? Which one of this following atoms is the smallest in size? That's okay, Delina.
Start. D. A lot of people are saying C. B.
Yeah, a lot of these.
Okay.
The
yes, ma'am.
answer lies in the periodic table. The answer lies in the periodic table. The clue is in the periodic table, the smallest. The size always increases down the group. Okay? So, the answer is lithium, the smallest of them all. Okay? Can anyone tell me what's the atomic number of lithium?
Yes, can I?
Yes.
3.
Yes, the smallest. Hydrogen,
The balance
helium.
of 1.
That's right. Very good.
What comes after lithium?
Beryllium.
Okay.
Very good. Very good. It's very important to learn the first 20. Okay, first 20 elements of the periodic table. Yes, that's right. Very good. Beryllium. There are a lot of people answering it. So the smallest one is lithium. More questions? Ready for more questions?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now you'll be able to answer this one. The ability of the substance to be pressed into sheets when hammered is called.
Start. It's an easy one.
Yes.
I think everybody should get it.
Yeah, they should get right. Those who are listening will definitely get it right.
Yeah, I think all. Nice.
That's nice. Good job, guys. Shows how attentive you are.
Yeah.
The answer is yes, of course. It's A. The next question. Which one of the following properties of substances is different from the others? These are all related to physical properties.
Start. Okay. Yeah,
Shall
ma'am,
we have
yes.
the answer? Order. Okay, the rest of them all is connected to the physical properties of a substance. The next one. Which one of the following is not a pure substance? Which one of the following is not a pure substance?
Start.
Wow, Michael. B, C, and D as well. Wow. Okay, the right answer. Someone has said all the three options, B, C, and D. See the question again. Which one of the following is not a pure substance? Oh, thank you. Okay, the right answer is rock salt.
Okay, somebody
Okay.
asked me this question. Why are we giving free education? Okay, who is this?
I
Is
don't
this
know.
Kirubel? Kirubel, because we want you to do good in exams, yeah? So that next year, yeah, so that next year you go and tell your friends. Okay.
Yeah, there's something like this.
No. So to be very serious, see.
Okay, the right
question-
answer is rock salt. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your lovely comments.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
So on a serious note, the reason why we are doing free as of now is just to help you out for your examinations. Okay.
Yeah, so finally score
Correct.
time.
Okay, so I will just tell you the person who has answered the most, and the rest you will see tomorrow morning. So congratulations, Yosias. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. You are the winner for tonight. Okay, you answered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. Fantastic. On time, first.
Thank you.
So big clap for Yosias. Very nice. Well done. Great. Okay, somebody's whistling also.
Yes, time just flew by with my students.
Exactly.
And thank you so much. We really enjoyed your, interacting with all of you. So keep learning, and hope you also love chemistry from now on. Okay?
Yeah. So thank you, ma'am. Can you just unshare your screen?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Thank you very much, ma'am. I'll just put myself on. Yeah, everyone, can you see me?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
great.
Yeah.
So we had a very fantastic session today, and I hope.
Yes.
See, our main motto is, see, since we have very less time, so our main motto and motto of all the teachers who are putting in a lot of efforts for you is that you learn every concept very nicely. Okay, maybe out of 6 years of question papers, we can cover 4 years, but what we will try to do is we will help you in most of the concepts that we can. And probably, when you go to next grade next year, then we have the full year with us, and we will help you learn very slowly and conceptually. Okay, but right now, since time is very less, we are doing our best, and I really appreciate your efforts for giving us 1 hour, 1.5 hours daily. It is really, really, really lovely. And a big thank you from the entire team of Learn 365 to you all. Okay, so take care. We will see you again tomorrow with chemistry, new questions, and tomorrow,
yes,
we will have new questions out of the question paper set. Okay, we'll have at least 5 or 6 questions, so be prepared for that. And mostly those will be numericals. Yeah, those will be numericals. Okay, guys.
Yes. Any queries, any questions, please feel free to share with us. Okay, we are available anytime to be able to clear your doubts. Okay, thank you and bye.
Bye. See you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow. Ciao. Batam Muhammad Saknalo. Take care of yourself. Take care of your parents. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Namaste. Namaste. Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste. Namaste. Namaste. Yes.
Namaste.
you know how to greet in Indian land. Nice, nice. So which song, guys? So which song shall I play tomorrow? Come on, tell me. Some nice song, yeah. I like something which is peppy, yeah, good music. Somebody told me Daddy D. I don't know what song is this. What is Daddy D? Yeah. You can type also, no problem. You can just type and let me know the song.
Bollywood.
Bollywood, okay, great, no problem. I love Bollywood. I can do it, yeah. Or English song, okay, that's nice. Okay, I'll play some English songs tomorrow. I got someone writing it. I will play some English songs, okay. Or do you want me to play Teddy Afro tomorrow? You guys like Teddy Afro songs?
Yeah, I like him very much.
Okay, great, Abel. Thank you. So, Abel, you answered just one question today. Why? On time, you should answer more questions on time. No?
Because my internet is lagging very much.
Oh, I'm really sorry. Okay, I'll go to sleep, guys. I've been working the full day. I'll go to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, take care. Bye.
Bye.
Ciao.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.